Let's go, guys. It's Rahul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a VW Passat, 2015 VW Passat. We're going to go ahead and replace the daytime running lights. They're dead easy. It should take you no more than 10 minutes. Let's go ahead, let's do it, let's go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and change the bulb in there. So first things first, we're going to go to this corner here. I've already started taking it off. A Torx 25. Take that off. Okay, Torx 25, that is off. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off here, this panel off here. So we'll just get a flat screwdriver, just pry it off. Or a trim removal kit should do the same thing. There we go, that comes off from there. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is dead easy. We've got two screws here, Torx 25, one there, one there. We'll go ahead and take them two off. Okay, after we take them two screws off, this one and this one, that whole light should come straight out. Okay, and there it is. We'll just go ahead and disconnect that if you want, or even if you want to leave it there. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this plug off. I mean, to take the plug off, you have to press it there and then pull at the same time. Because I've got the camera in the hand, I'm just going to put the screwdriver in there, or I'm going to get both hands onto it, take that plug off, and I'll get back at you guys. Right, there it is. The light is totally off. I mean, if you want to, you can go ahead and replace the complete light if it's broken or anything like that. We're just going to go ahead and replace the bulb. So counterclockwise on this one here, anti-clockwise. There's the bulb. It's a single filament normal bulb. Let's go ahead and replace that. Let's go. There we go, there's the new bulb. As you can see, I've got gloves on. One little top tip is make sure your hands are clean when you fit in bulbs. Not only this kind of bulb, any bulb, headlight bulb, brake light bulb, whatever. If you're touching the glass or anything like that, which you have to on these, touch the glass and basically turn it, push down and turn. Make sure you have gloves on, or make sure your hands are nice and clean, because you don't want to get grease on the glass, on the bulb itself, and then that way it messes up. Make sure you have clean hands, or get some gloves on there. Right, I'm going to fit that in reverse order. Let's do it. Well, that's it, guys. That's how we replace the daytime running lights on a VW Passat 2015, 2014 kind of thing. Dead easy. The only hardest bit is taking that trim off. Okay, but besides that, two screws, one more screw on the trim. That's it. I changed the bulb. Happy days. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Tried my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Rahul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.